again, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how I DIY shaping my own eyebrow. For the longest time I've been having my eyebrow shaped or shaping by an expert, but I want to give it a try and see if I can do it myself. So I really hope this comes out really good, because I'm scared. I don't want to ruin the eyebrow, but what's life without risk, so I'm going to try that. So I hope you stay tuned to do this trial with me, and definitely you will comment if and rate me if I did good. Yeah, you have to rate me if I did good or not. So I'm really scared. Alright, my materials here, I have my plate and my eyebrow brush, which I'm going to be using just this two. I'm going to be using just this two, I think. So I really hope this comes out really good, if you get what I mean. So if you're new to the channel, before we start this video, please kindly subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos, and the notification button, that's the bell button, right? That looks like a bell, that's the notification button, so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Also to members, thank you for your love and your support. So let's get started with this video already. Okay. I'm nervous and the center excited. Let's get started. Ta-da! Guys, this is the finished look. I'm done shaping the eyebrow. I didn't really shape much of the hair. Last year I was a little scared. Not really, I was really scared. But during the process, I even had my skin cut around here. It's hot a lot, it's peppering me. I look forward to treat it later. But I think I tried a little. I tried a little. So give me your rating from 1 to 10. Give me your rating. Let me really rate myself. Should I rate myself? Let me rate myself from a scale of 1 to 10. I'll rate myself 6 because this is my first time. I'll rate myself 6. So please give me your own rating from a scale of 1 to 10. Comment your rating on my eyebrow that I DIYed and shaved myself. This is my first time. I will keep on practicing. I'll do updated video to see my progress. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Luckily I didn't shave all the hair and turn it to skin cut, so I'll keep on practicing. I promise myself I'll keep on practicing, so I'll get used to it and master it, so I won't have to be going to a spa all the time to have my eyebrow shaved. I mean, there will be sometimes you won't have cash and you need to look good, so I will practice that to save me that stress. I'll keep on practicing and do updated video to see how it goes. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, enjoy this trial with me. You enjoy this trial with me. So thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up, share to your friends that'll find this content helpful. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching to the end and stay tuned for more upcoming video. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Bye.